How to fix League of Legends unknown player error. So if you want to fix your League of Legends unknown player error, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your League of Legends application. Like for example, in my case, I'll just simply go with any application right here. Once you go with it, you need to right click on it. So you need to go with your League of Legends and then right click on it, and you will get all of these options, right? You need to go with the properties option. Under properties, you'll find this kind of window up here. And what you have to do is go with the compatibility tab, which will be right here. And from there, you will find all of these options, right? You need to go and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then click on OK. And now check by opening the game if your error has been fixed or not. But if your error is still not fixed, then let's move on towards the second step, which is the next step is flushing our DNS. To flush your DNS from your computer, what you have to do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and then type in command prompt or CMD. You'll see the command prompt option. You need to just right click on it and then go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and then you'll get this kind of interface. Here you need to enter the command, which is ipconfig/flush DNS. Now hit enter and it will flush your DNS from your computer. Then afterwards, what you have to do is close your command prompt and try opening the game and check if your error has been fixed or not. But if your error is still not fixed, now let's move on towards the next step, which is closing any background app processes related to League of Legends. So first of all, what you have to do is just right click on your taskbar and then you need to go with the task manager option. As you open up your task manager, you'll get this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply go with the process tab. Once you're on your processes tab, you need to find any process named as Riot Games. Once you find the Riot Games process, like let's suppose this is a Riot game process right here. So what you need to do is just right click on it and you need to go with end task. And after ending your task on your Riot Games, your problem might be fixed. After that, you can try opening the game and check if the error is fixed or not. But if the error is still not fixed, then what you have to do is move on to the next solution, which is you need to go with the search and then search for control panel. Click on the control panel, and under control panel, you need to go with network and sharing center. After that, you'll get this kind of interface, and you just need to simply go with your Wi-Fi that you're using or the internet that you're using. Click on it, and then you need to go with the properties section. Now, from here, you have to select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on it. Go with properties, which will be on the right side. Now, this window will appear. Now, you need to click on use the following DNS server address, which will be right here. This one, use the following DNS server address. Now you have to type in some DNS server address, which is on the top. You need to type in 8.8.8.8. And the alternative DNS server, you need to type in 8.8.4.4. After that, click on OK and check if your error has been fixed or not by opening the game. So these are the few fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.